This is the elevator at the Morrison Blvd parking garage. It's like an older Westinghouse.
Yep, I hear that bell.
Yep, it's got the dingo bell.
And somebody unretired today. How about
Yep,
that?
here it is.
Looks good.
Gonna get in a one. Door closes when you push the button.
Yep, this is an old Westie, isn't it?
Yeah, look at the fart indicators. Those are good.
Yeah.
Here we got one.
Takes a minute to level.
The outside. Oh, I love that dingo bell.
Yeah. The jingle bell is pretty good, isn't it?
That one does have character. I have to agree with you, TJ, on that one.
And I'm showing battery.
Okay, well, you'll still probably have about 20 minutes worth left. So
That's a good bell, yeah. Now, why does the up and down light light up both?
I don't know.
unique.
There's a view. You want to get a view?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
hold
got
it.
the door open.
Hold it open.
Get a view. Oh yeah, nice view.
It's not raised, honey. It just looks like it's raised. Look at that old building.
Big old building.
Yep. Not too many people up here. Hi, Dad.
Hi, TJ.
Let's come over and get a view. See, that's looking down.
Yeah, look down. Wow.
You can tell it's kind of windy.
Yep, a little bit.
Now we're gonna go down to 2. Westy, did you stay? You did stay.
Stay.
And look, TJ, it's got one of the older little emergency stop buttons.
Yep.
And there's
There's
the
the
phone.
phone.
That's the emergency stop button, kind of like your Adams panel has on it, isn't it? Where you pull it out. Similar.
It says no smoking.
It's nice clothes too.
There it goes in. And when I'll press the down and the up lights up.
Yeah, I think I've got that on camera, but I'm not sure.
Well, the glitchy controller.
Well, that happens when you have an older elevator like this. We're going down to 1 first.
Yep, looks like it.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna press 4, and this should ring the dingo bell. Yep, it is. I'm gonna 4. I'm getting an adult perspective view.
Okay.
Hey, Dad.
Yep.
Up and we're stopping on 2.
Hmm? Did you stop it?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? For some reason, the down and up lights up.
That's funny.
You know, I'm gonna do it.
Goodness.
Dad.
Okay, yep, that's what I was noticing a while ago. The down and up lights up, and then they both light up for a minute, and then now the downs, because we're going down.
Okay.
2 is where we need to be.
Okay.
Yep, 2's where we need to be. Yeah.
And you've already got a view of the picture of the phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you got a cab view or not. Did you get a cab view?
It's got a handrail.
No, I don't think it is.
Okay, I'll get one. It's a pretty neat one, isn't it? It has the old bumpers. See if I can get that on when it closes. Takes a minute to close. Yep, there it is. You can see a little bit.